Hi guys, today we're gonna make pizza. First the sauce, the cheese, and then the salami, then the capsicum, and then the pineapple. First the sauce and spread it around. And then sprinkle some cheese. I wish I can try one.
You can try one if you want to try one.
And then get the salami and spread it out. And then sprinkle the capsicum. And then we sprinkle the pineapple. And finito. Now where's this pizza gonna go?
Now we have to cook it.
I'm gonna bring it.
You want to bring it inside?
Yes. Yummy.